Are your plants wilting for no reason? You're doing everything right with water and light, but the leaves are still turning yellow and drooping. Before you drop 20 or 30 bucks on chemical fertilizers, check your medicine cabinet. This simple brown bottle of hydrogen peroxide costs practically nothing, but growers have used it for decades as a useful garden tool. It is cheap, easy to find, and more useful around the garden than most people realize. I'll show you how one simple bottle may help rescue plants, cut your need for harsher chemicals, and save money when it is mixed and used the right way. And don't let the name scare you. Hydrogen peroxide is made of hydrogen and oxygen, much like water, but it carries one extra oxygen atom. When it breaks down in the soil, it releases oxygen, and that extra oxygen is the key to how it works. One of the biggest threats to garden plants, especially those grown in containers, is root rot. It develops when soil stays wet too long and the root zone runs out of air. The roots begin to suffocate. A diluted peroxide treatment brings oxygen into saturated soil, helps reduce harmful bacteria on contact, and slows the rot. It is like giving roots a deep breath of fresh air. For a deep root treatment to help a dying plant, use this ratio. Mix 1 cup of standard 3% peroxide with 10 cups of water. Use this mix once a week until you see fresh, healthy green growth return. But peroxide is not only for roots. Are you tired of white, powdery mildew on your roses, or those tiny fungus gnats in your pots? A weak peroxide spray can target mold spores and insect eggs without leaving harsh residue behind. For a leaf spray, mix 2 tablespoons of 3% peroxide into 1 gallon of water. Spray a light coat over the foliage to clean the leaves and help keep pests away. There is no strong smell and no long-lasting residue. Once the leaves are dry, children and pets can return to the garden. Growers also use a much weaker mix to soak seeds before planting. It helps kill germs on the seed surface and softens the outer coat. That can help seeds sprout sooner and give young plants a stronger start. 2 quick safety rules. First, always use the common 3% solution sold at the grocery store or pharmacy. Do not use high-strength industrial peroxide. It can cause burns. Second, never spray plants in the hot midday sun. Spray in the early morning or late evening while the leaves are cool. This helps the mix work and lowers the risk of leaf burn. Finally, keep your tools clean. A quick soak of pruners and shears in peroxide helps kill bacteria that spread disease from one plant to another. It is a simple way to help keep your garden healthy all season long.